Feeling stuck but don't know where to start? Here's your blueprint for real self-improvement. No hype, just results. If you're new to personal growth, the idea of changing your life can feel overwhelming. But what if you could kickstart real transformation with just a few simple steps? This video is your beginner's guide. Let's get started. First, don't chase random goals just because you see them online. Ask yourself, why do I want to improve? Maybe you want more confidence, better health, or new skills. Pin down your personal reason, write it down, say it out loud. What's your why? Drop it in the comments. Begin with a habit so easy, you can't fail. If you want to read more, start with 1 page a day. Want to get fit? Do 5 push-ups after brushing your teeth. Real change comes from small wins stacked daily. Keep a simple tracker. Use your phone, a notebook, or even sticky notes. Every time you complete your tiny habit, celebrate it. Progress fuels motivation, not perfection. Setbacks are not failures. They're feedback. If you miss a day, don't quit. Just restart tomorrow. Adjust your goal if it feels too hard. This mindset separates long-term growth from short-lived hype. Join online groups, find an accountability buddy, or follow personal growth creators who inspire and motivate you. Community helps you stay the course. Shout out your best self tribe in the comments. Self-improvement isn't about magic or perfection. It's about showing up and stacking small wins. What habit will you start today? Subscribe and comment below to join a community of everyday achievers. You've got this.